How to use Voicemod on Roblox. So basically how to set it up. You're gonna have to go ahead and start doing this in your Voicemod first. So go ahead in your Voicemod, open it up, and go into your settings. Make sure your input and output is on the devices you want it to go through. So for your microphone, use the one that you want to use, of course. So in our case, it's going to be this one. So make sure you know the name of your microphone. And for your speakers, of course, just use the one you want. So in our case, we're going to use our headphones. And once you're done with the setup inside Voicemod, you're going to have to go to the settings of your actual device. So open up settings, you can go ahead and search it. So over here, go ahead into your system, press on sound, and go to your input over here. So in your input, make sure you have selected the one that says Voicemod. So it should only be one apparently. And once you do that, it should automatically set as a default and it'll automatically be detected in your Roblox. So just in case though, go ahead into your Roblox, open up your menu or your settings, then press on settings. So over here, you'll be able to see the stuff and whatnot, but you're gonna have to scroll down to your input. So in your input, make sure you go for the one that says Voicemod. So there's usually going to be two if you do the previous ones, which is the default and just Voicemod itself. So either one is pretty much the same. For output, just pretty much go to the dummy output for Voicemod over here, but this should work as fine. But just in case, put it in Voicemod as well. So once you press on resume, it should just save it like that. But that's pretty much how you set up your Voicemod to Roblox. You should be able to use it now. Just turn on your microphone and do your Voicemod stuff. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.